Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, my Kaspa holders, I got some good news for you guys. A lot of people are getting worried because Kaspa's going down a little bit while some other coins are going up. But listen, guys, it is in crypto's nature to pump certain coins at certain times, depending on their market structure, depending on their narrative, depending on how well the quality of the coin is, and if anything fundamental comes out from that coin or project, right? Overall, from a technical analysis standpoint, we're going to break this down very quickly. Every time, pretty much, Kaspa has some kind of triangle type pattern, we get an expansion, then again, triangle type pattern, then we get some kind of expansion. This time we were overall kind of going more sideways, and now we're slightly selling off. There are no worries, right? There are no worries. Kaspa is fundamentally, these guys know, a fantastic project. It might probably will break the top 10. But listen, from a technical analysis standpoint, right, it's looking good because we have chunky areas, and to pretty much put it into very simple terms, right? Chunky area means high demand zone, right? There was a lot of demand, it kind of turns into support eventually, a floor, and then it goes up. So we can see over here we have a lot of demand, and you can kind of see that Kaspa is starting to slow down. Now, it would not surprise me if we go just a little bit lower to maybe 12 cents, but pretty much we're going to be going sideways here, and that is looking fantastic because overall structure is still looking good, right? We have a high, we have a low, higher high, higher low, higher highs, higher low, right? Higher than this. So we could see overall in the grand scheme of things, Kaspa is still moving up in a staircase way. Yes, the staircase isn't the biggest, but this means technically we are in a consolidation phase, right? When we're kind of going like this. So when we do explode, because Kaspa will explode sooner than later, right? When we do explode, it's going to be a huge expansion. I mean, a huge expansion. And like I said, I do think based off market cap, based off everything, $3 for Kaspa is realistic, right? You could start to dollar cost average around $2, I would say. Obviously, if you don't know technical analysis, it's harder for you to say. You got to be happy with the profits you get, right? Because you got to remember, at one point, things just run out of gas, run out of steam, and the market starts turning, and bear season comes around the corner. But I do think this altcoin season is going to be the biggest it's ever been. So when Kaspa does break out, I do truly believe we are going to go to at least that $2.50 zone. And if there is triple or quadruple the money instead of double the money as we expect, then Kaspa can even be reaching areas of 4, 5, potentially $6. But of course, that is a lot, right? That is huge gains. And you got to remember, even if we do hit those prices, they might not stay there for more than just a couple minutes or a couple hours, right? So that's the thing. Kaspa currently at, you know, it's a high market cap, but not the highest, 3.24 billion. So like I said, 10x would pretty much be $1.30. 20 would be $2.60, which would be around 65 billion market cap, which I said very realistic, right? So getting out of that $2.50 range is very realistic. Like I said, if we get triple or quadruple the money and crypto gets more adopted, right? Then I don't think an extra couple billion in market cap is so unrealistic for Kaspa. That's why I think we could hit that $4 to $5 range. But we got to obviously see the context when the time comes. I always do it from a conservative point of view. But if things go blessed in our ways, all of us might be shocked this bull run. And hopefully in a good way, right? Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's Kaspa Update. And I'll talk to you guys next time.